All right, I'm going to show you guys how I use the Chrome Music Lab. You won't be able to hear what it plays, but I'm going to go ahead and share it with you when I can. So if you're at the Music Lab, the Chrome experiments, you can click on anything you want. So for example, I'm going to draw. So I can pick different colors. So my favorite color is purple and pink. So I'm going to write, and now I don't think you can hear it, but it plays music. You might be able to hear it. And then it says good day. And then it sings. And you can hit refresh or undo. And you can do just like this. Ooh. You can use your finger or your mouse, depending if it's on your iPad or your computer. Ready? Let's see if it plays. Also, you can click on rhythm. And then you click these buttons. Song maker. So here you can do the piano or the blocks. I'm going to go. And then I can either make it go slow, speed it up, like this. Very cool. And then if you want, you can save it here or restart. Oh, I can use my microphone. Allow. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowds. Let's see what that does. Okay, I have no idea. Interesting. I don't want to save that one. You can go to chords. You can do minor or major. So you can learn chords. These are called sound waves. So see how that does that? See that? So if you hit that, I'm not the best at it. So today you can tinker around with this. There's all different things you can do. Harp. Very pretty. So this is the website, and I love everything it has to offer. It is so fun. You can do a voice spinner. Hey, it's me, Becky. Hey, it's me, Becky. Yee! Well, how do I play it? Oh, I guess it just shows it.
Hey, it's me, Becky. Yee! Hey, it's me, Becky. Yee! Hey, it's me, Becky. My name's Yee! Hi, name's me, Becky. Yee! Hey, it's me, Becky. Yee!
Okay. So that is the Chrome Music Lab, and it's so much fun, and you can choose that for your leisure today. And I will see you soon. Bye, friends.